Hello guys and girls, my name is Dominic. I'm the founder of ID Car Parts, and first of all I would like to wish you a Happy New Year. And the reason for this video is that I want to introduce you a new product on my online shop. It is a plug-and-play upgrade kit for the Audi RS3 8Y model. Especially for the pre-facelift model, and the kit includes the facelift center console tunnel, which you can see here. And with this kit it is possible for you to put the facelift center console tunnel with the ambient lights into your pre-facelift RS3 8Y model. Okay, so in the following minutes I would like to describe and show you the differences between the pre-facelift and the facelift model, so that you really know what product you purchase, which products or which parts you may need to manually adjust a little bit to get it to work. And yeah, so I would like to start now. It's the first video on this YouTube channel. If you like it, if you want to see some other insights of ID car parts, then please just mention below in the comment section. And maybe in the future I find some time to make some more videos, but then please just write down in the comment section some topics which you are interested in. Okay, so let's see the difference between the facelift center console tunnel and the pre-facelift one. At first you can see a slightly better surface just on this area. You can see the cup holder is different here with the ambient lighting, also the ambient lights here. On the pre-facelift one it's not available. And also the cup holder itself looks a little bit different. So, if you purchase the plug-and-play upgrade kit, you will get the center console tunnel, the cup holder, covered in the option you chase on the checkout. You will get this Y adapter, which you have to connect to the cup holder and to the ambient lights here. To get this work, your car definitely needs to have the Audi Phonebox option and the ambient light option in the doors. So the standard option of the pre-facelift. Okay, then what you definitely also need for this upgrade, you need the facelift part of the center console frame, because this one here is from the pre-facelift and it will not fit onto the center console tunnel of the facelift. You can choose to get it by yourself. You can also get it also from me in glossy black, in the silver trim, or also if you want already covered with a stitching, then you have to add it separately into the card. Okay, so what you also need is so if you want to keep this part from your pre-facelift model, also this one, and the inlay here, you need to adjust this part here on these T noses, because on this frame the T nose will be placed here into this, and on the facelift frame it will be fitted into this, and it will not fit if you keep those T noses there. So you have to remove them. Maybe you can see it here. Yeah. So as you can see, it does not fit. So you have to remove it completely. So let me show you how this will look then. It will look like this. So you can just cut it away with a Dremel or with a metal tool, and then it will fit into this frame. Yeah, so you can see it here. It will fit then, but you definitely have to adjust it, otherwise it will not fit. Okay, what you also have to do is the phone box of the pre-facelift car has here 4 noses. These you also have to remove with a Dremel, because otherwise it will most likely not fit correctly here into this center console tunnel of the facelift. It may fit with a lot of force, but there is then a lot of tension also there, which is not very pretty. So my advice is just to remove those, and then it fits. So this is more or less the work which you have to do to fit the Plug&Play Upgrade Kit of the center console tunnel. So to sum up, you need to purchase, of course, the Plug&Play Upgrade Kit, where the center console tunnel is included. The Y adapter is included. Your car has to has the phone box from Audi already installed, and also the ambient light option. So what you also definitely need to do is remove those T-noses from your pre-facelift inlay insert, that this one can fit into the new center console tunnel. You need to purchase the facelift frame, either in glossy black, in silver, or covered in Dynamica or Alcantara, that it can fit here on this center console tunnel of the facelift. And what you also need to do is adjust your pre-facelift phone box and remove those 4 noses that it can fit into the facelift center console tunnel. And then you are ready to go with the ambient lighting in your pre-facelift RS3 8Y. So I hope it was good to understand. I tried to show you with the exact parts you have to adjust or you have to buy. So if you like to, or if you would like to have those ambient lights and the console tunnel in your pre-facelift model, just try to grab one at the next shop opening. You can also write me on Instagram or on WhatsApp if you have any more questions about it. Yeah, and if you want to see some other videos, just let me know. Peace.